stages of treatment, which I'm hoping most of you are familiar with, unless you're new to the course.
Yes. And I just really want to pick out that most people, very commonly in the nutritional health world, would be saying of conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, you just need to detox. How many times, Laura, have you been offered aloe vera? You just need it.
What you need for that skin is aloe vera.
You just need to do a liver detox. You just need to do a gut detox. You just need to detox. No, that's not the first thing we're going to be doing.
I would also say that doing a detox is quite stimulating, so you often get a flare.
And stressful.
Yeah, exactly.
And can make your blood sugars unstable. This is not the first place to start.
No, not at all. What we want to be doing is removing the triggers. So that is looking at food intolerances, making sure their environment is not toxic, getting all of those chemicals out of their system. If they've got an autoimmune of the skin, then it's the same with things like acne or rosacea. There's a lot that there can often be a lot of products that are going onto the skin, and having that conversation about we've got to clear this out. We've got to detox your environment rather than detoxing your liver. Stress reduction, lifestyle, the macronutrient balance, which is our PFC, micronutrient replace, which we're going to come on to in a minute. Hormone balancing, absolutely. This is where we're looking at working with estrogen. I definitely say NAC out of the estrogen products that you work with is the one that I would choose for autoimmune, because it has this dual effect of supporting the immune system as well as supporting methylation, which is plays a big role within the immune system.
And breaks down any biofilm in the gut from small intestine bacterial overgrowth, so it also supports the gut.
NAC is it just hits so many different areas when it comes to issues like this. The digestive system, we're clearing out the rubbish, we're putting the good stuff in, and we are repairing. And I think I've got a slide talking about the repairing. I'll come on to that. Reducing inflammation, supporting the liver, working with heavy metals. So we've got some like NAC also supports with clearing out heavy metals, getting rid of mold. There's different supplements. Check the wellness course for different supports to be able to get, if they've been living in a moldy environment, that can absolutely be triggering the immune system. So once they're out of the environment, how we help the body to support and detox. But you can see detox is at the end, after we've looked at removing the triggers and stress reduction, we've worked with the triangle, then we can, when we've got a stronger body, then we can start putting more detox support into the body. Once you've done all of that, you can look at doing lab tests to see if you can't quite get underneath something. That could be potentially a gut test. That would be the first place I would go to. Or if they're perimenopausal, you can have a look at hormones, see where their progesterone is at. But that is further down the line, is that there's so much that you can do with supplements, with food, with lifestyle and coaching to be able to get them into a great place, so that things like the more detoxy work that we do and referring on to a specialist is going to be so much more powerful when they've got these foundations in place.